Today we will learn in this video how to draw a rectangle in AutoCAD or in ZWCAD. So this is the latest version of ZWCAD 2025 Professional Edition. So the very first thing is that you have to go on rectangle, and then you have to draw any random rectangle. Okay. Now you can see it is asking for specify the corner, or so what you can mention. Suppose we need the length, suppose 50. Okay, 50 inches. Then this is 50, uh, 50 feet probably. I have already set that. Now tap again, you want another suppose 31, right? And then you have to press enter. So this is the rectangle that you got with the dimension 50-meter length and 31-meter width, right? Now you have to check. So for checking, we have another command that is called del command. Okay. Now what you will have to do, you only have to put the cursor on both corner, and this is the another corner. Now you can see the dimension length is 50-meter, right? Again we have to check the another dimension. So what we can do, again we can put the del command, and then we can press enter, and then we can check the dimension, which is 31-meter. Okay, understand? So I hope it is very clear. Let us try another rectangle. So again we are taking another rectangle. Now again we are drawing the rectangle, and this time we want 100 by 100, right? So very first we write 100, and another first we write 100, and then we press enter, right? So this is the rectangle that we got, which is 100 by 100, right? Now again you have to check whether the dimension is right or not. So we can do that. Again we can check with the del command, and we can put the cursor here and then here, and then we can set as 100-meter, right? Similarly we can check the breadth also. This is the del command, and then this, and then this is what, this is 100 also, right? So this is the way that we can draw a rectangle in AutoCAD, and please feel free to ask any questions if you have related in the comment section. Thank you very much.